touching right there. I thought I hit him in the throat at first, but he went right through here. When you're ready, big guy. Keep working, Zach. Keep battling. Good game, eh? Remember back in our days in Wilkes-Barre?
Yeah.
You know what? The Wilkes-Barre-Hershey were fun.
I love those
Three-man
games.
system, I love that, eh?
Yeah.
That was good, man, you know?
Those were good games.
Remember that?
Yeah.
No problem with that. Okay, we're going to keep the call on the ice. All right, keep it, good goal. After review, the goal stands.
Got a thumbs up that that's a good goal yet? Hey, we haven't gotten anything yet. But I don't think there's a better call to be made here, Kinger. Upon review of the play, the call on the ice is confirmed. We have a good goal. We're good. Good job. We're good. Here, Johnny, we're good. We're good. We're good. Now, that's not a penalty. If I call that penalty, that's a tough standard to keep all night, okay?
That's what I told Zetterberg. I said, listen, we're going to call penalties if they're penalties, but if the guys go down easy, we're not going to reward that.
But I know what this means, that you're effective, but you're not effective in the box. Hey! Hey! Let's go! Very good hit, but he hit him late, so I can call it roughing or lefty. No, but it's still late. Blindsided. Blindsided late. Because if we don't call that, we're going to have a lot of those. It was coming from the back, kind of, and it was a bit late. No, but it was a bit late, though. So I want to protect you on that hit.
Comes around, I have no idea how it comes around off the glass. There's 4 guys here. What do you guys?
We gotta go inside. We gotta go inside.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, guys, I just gotta have room to back out, okay?
Don't say guys, because it's not me.
Okay, well, you're both right here.
Hey, guys.
Just let me back up. Here we go, man.
Good, guys! Hey, Gin! Nothing good's coming out of this, big man.
I had a mouth guard. I thought it was yours. Okay.
Good, Skiz, it's very good. Keep it out of his head, out of the blue. Feet are in the blue, Corey. Both are going. Both are going.